Coming up, we'll have news from the Civic Center with Mindy Daniel.
Greetings from the Civic Center. I'm Mindy Daniel, Program Superintendent, with today's news and activities for Thursday, July 7th. DUI evaluation will be held from 4 to 7 p.m. this afternoon. The Upson Soccer Association is examining the possibility of forming an all-girls under 12 soccer team. If you have children interested, please call the Civic Center. A second session of Red Cross certified swimming lessons will be offered July 11th through July 22nd. The cost of the 2-week course is $40. The classes will be taught in the morning at the Rec Department pool. Call today to pre-register. A second session of country line dancing for seniors will be offered on Friday mornings, July 8th through August 26th from 10 to 11 a.m. The cost of the 8-week session is $30. Another night session of line dancing will also be offered during the same time period at 7 p.m. The cost of the night session is $36. Please call today to pre-register. The staff of the Civic Center look forward to working with you in our community. Please let us know if you have suggestions for improvement or for program ideas. You can contact us at 647-9691. See you at the Civic Center.
I'm Ronnie Salter from Salter's Factory Outlet Carpets and Vinyls. We have fair prices, professional installation, and quality products such as carpets and vinyls. We can also do your custom rugs with fringe and binding. No job too big or too small.
Hi, we're Salter's Factory Outlet Carpet and Vinyl Store. We're located right across from Captain D's with a little yellow building. Our phone number is 648-6676. Y'all come see us.
Finally in the news today, the groundbreaking ceremony for Flint Tech's new building is scheduled for July 13th at 2:30 p.m. and Governor Zell Miller is expected to attend. Dixie Youth playoff games will continue tonight at 7 o'clock p.m. and tomorrow at 7 o'clock p.m. We'll leave you today with a repeat of the closing of area roads: Morgan Road, Boyd Road, Waymanville Road, Dripping Rock Road, Cobbtown Road, Hollis Road, Delray, Moore's Crossing, and East County roads are all closed in the county. Georgia 74 West is closed at the River Bridge at the Pike-Meriwether County line, and Georgia 74 East is closed. US 19 at the River South is closed. US 19 is open to the north. 341 in Crawford County is clear. US 96 in Taylor County is open. 109 is closed, and Georgia 36 West is clear. Georgia 36 East is closed going into Lamar County. Highway 92 is closed, 362 is closed, and 16 is closed west of Griffin going toward Jackson. 362 is closed at the Pike-Meriwether County line, as is Highway 74 and 18 and 109. Flat Shows Road, spur of 109, is closed. Eppinger Bridge Road is closed. The bridge there has been washed out. And Highway 36 from Thomaston to Woodland is currently open and is being monitored, as we have said before. In Coweta County, Georgia 16 at the Spalding County line is closed, and Georgia 29 at Madras is closed, and many county roads up in the Noonan area are also closed. And that's been your news for today, Thursday, July 7th, 1994, and we hope that you have a very pleasant day.